Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica and I'm back with another video. How are you guys doing? Because I'm doing great and I hope you guys are doing great as well. Today's video is going to be a no makeup look. Guys, I'll be trying to create a no makeup look. I saw this video a few weeks ago on YouTube. I decided to create this look with the product I have. I'm not a professional makeup artist, neither am I a guru with makeup and all that good stuff, but I just want to try this look, recreate this look and see how it comes out. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this kind of video, then keep watching, guys. So first thing, guys, I'll be moisturizing my face first. It's very important. Then after that, I'll be applying my primer. I'll be using my black opal primer. I hope this is focusing. Then once I let my primer sit beautifully and dry up on my beautiful face, I'll be using my Maybelline foundation in the shade 334 Warm Sun. So guys, this is how little I'll be using of a foundation. I'll be using so little because we are going for a no makeup look. I'll be applying this with my wet blender. Look how fluffy this is. Look, like this feels so good on the skin. So I'll be using the flat tip to apply this on my face. Remember guys, you can use as little foundation, so you just tap, let that soak into your skin. Once I'm done with blending and having a perfectly blended foundation all over my face, I'll be going in with my LA Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Yes, I want to go just a shade or two lighter than my foundation. So I'll be taking a brush. Guys, remember our goal is to go for a no makeup look, so try as much as possible to use the bare minimum makeup. Now I'm going to go right in with the other side, the rounded side of my soaked blender, and try to blend out. So once I'm done blending in my concealer, I'll go ahead and brush my eyebrow. Guys, I literally have no eyebrows, so go ahead and brush that into place. That's right. So guys, what I'd like to do next is take my eyebrow brush, then dip it in a little bit of my lip gloss to put my eyebrow in place. Then I press it down. I'll go in with my beauty blender try to take out that greasiness. Guys, this is how I get my natural looking brows. Just stroking and not trying to color or whatever. Just try to fill up those space as much as you can. There we go. So once I'm done with lining my and filling in my brows, I'll go in with the Eyebrow Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. I prefer to use shade Fawn instead of Cool Time. I don't want harsh lines of the concealer to show. So we're going in right now. You see what I'm saying? You see how well it blends in? So easy, and you know, this is beautiful. So guys, once I'm done with the other part of the other side of the eyebrow, I'll just go in with my beauty blender and blend in all over again. Then I'll be going in with my almost empty powder to apply under my eye. Guys, just very little. I am not having the intention to bake and all that good stuff. I just want to apply this under my eye so it doesn't crease. I'll be taking my bronzer. Oh my god, this is so funny. Guys, I'm just trying to give my face the illusion of having a contour on. So guys, once I'm done trying to give my face a bit of color, I'll be going in with a very natural neutral eyeshadow. Next, I'll be going in with my Benefit eyeliner. And lining my lips, I'll be using the same pencil I used for my eyebrow. Guys, I'll be going in with my lip gloss next. Going in with my Benefit mascara. Once I'm done with that, I'll be going in with a highlighter. I've had this highlighter for a long while. The names on it are out, so I don't know what highlighter it is. So going in for very little. Yeah, here we go. That's perfect. Guys, once I'm done with that, I'll be going all over again with my Maybelline powder. Guys, next thing I'll be doing, I'll be going in with my makeup setting and body spray. This mist and body spray, it's something I really like. It has what we Nigerian call shine shine. It gives you that glow while it sets your skin, it sets your makeup as well. So it has shimmers in them. So I'll shake that real good. So guys, this is the final look of this no makeup look I tried to create. I hope you guys liked it. Tell me or comment down below if there was something you could have done a bit differently than I did, or if you like this look and if this look could actually pass for a no makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Guys, super grateful for every single one of you who take out time to watch my videos, to like and to leave a comment down. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.